On December 3, 2025, Democrats on the House Oversight Committee released more than 150 never-before-seen photos and videos from Jeffrey Epstein's private island, Little St. James, often referred to as Epstein Island, in the U.S. Virgin Islands. The materials, obtained via subpoena from the U.S. Virgin Islands Department of Justice, date back to a 2020 raid and offer a rare glimpse inside the island's interiors without any people present. Key visuals include luxurious bedrooms, a sprawling pool area, pristine bathrooms, and a library where a chalkboard bears words like power, truth, deception, music, intellectual, and political. One room features a dental chair lined with eerie male face masks and a cord phone labeled with redacted names, likely speed dial contacts. Additional documents from banks, including JP Morgan Chase and Deutsche Bank, have been received by the committee but have not yet been made public. The committee described this release as a disturbing look into the world of Jeffrey Epstein and said it is aimed at advancing their investigation into his sex trafficking network. This comes amid a new federal law signed by President Trump in November 2025, mandating the Department of Justice to disclose Epstein-related documents by mid-December, though the administration has delayed full compliance. The release has reignited scrutiny of Epstein's elite connections, including President Donald Trump, with whom Epstein socialized in the 1990s and early 2000s before a reported falling out. While no new images directly implicate Trump, recently unsealed emails from Epstein's estate, released November 12, 2025, reference him extensively. Over 1,000 mentions allege that Trump knew about the girls, many underage, and that he spent hours at Epstein's properties with victims, including Virginia Giuffre. The release of these images and documents raises questions about power, privilege, and accountability, and continues to cast a long shadow over Epstein's elite circle. For investigators, lawmakers, and the public, this is more than just a look at luxury and oddities. It is a window into the disturbing realities of Jeffrey Epstein.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update. Download the One India app now.